Chain of responsibility. Chain of responsibility design pattern is a behavior design pattern that allows an object to pass a request along a chain of handlers. Each handler in the chain decides either to process the request or to pass it along the chain to the next handler. Let's dive into an example where we model a multi-level customer support system with level 1, level 2 and level 3 support teams. Each level is responsible for handling specific types of requests. Here's how the system might look without using chain of responsibility pattern. Each request is manually routed using if-else conditions. This approach processes requests based on their type using if-else statements. Level 1 support handles basic queries, Level 2 support handles technical issues, Level 3 support tackles advanced issues. While this works for a simple system, it quickly becomes unmanageable as the number of request types or support level increases. The tight coupling between logic and the request type makes the system fragile and hard to extend. Let's refactor the code using chain of responsibility design pattern to separate the logic for each support level and chain them dynamically. Each support level is represented by separate handler. Level 1 support handler handles the basic query, Level 2 support handler handles the technical issues, Level 3 support handler handles advanced issues. Each handler extends a base handler class which manages the chain and passes the unprocessed request to the next handler. The chain is set up dynamically in the main class. Level 3 support is a final link processing the advanced issues. Level 2 support forward the unhandled request to Level 3 support. Level 1 support start the chain and passes a request to Level 2 support if needed. When a request is passed into the chain, each handler checks if it can handle the request based on its type. If not, the request is passed to the next handler in the chain. Adding a new support level is straightforward. Create a new handler class for new support level. Insert it into the chain where appropriate. This modularity keeps the system flexible and adheres to the open-close principle, ensuring you can add features without altering the existing code. So in summary, the chain of responsibility design pattern is a powerful way to structure a system with multiple levels of responsibility. By decoupling the request senders and handlers, you make the system easier to manage, extend, and scale.